So good day to each and everyone. So my name is Nono Hesta, and I will talk about an assignment that will use data cleaning, deleting duplicate datas, using linear regression, and using Pearson and Spearman correlation. So first, let us define what are our problems. So our problem is perform a data cleaning and data integration on the three data sets: customer data, support ticket data, transaction data, the three data. And using data reduction on the merged data sets. Use Pearson correlation and Spearman correlation and create a comparative discussion on their result. So, the requirements is data cleaning, display and remove duplicate rows, convert word and categorical to numeric, display and fill in the missing values using suggested method, then export the clean data into new Excel file. So next is data integration, merge the data, display the merged data, and export. Then in the data reduction, using Pearson and Spearman correlation. So today, let us do that. So let us start. So now, let's go to the spider. Wow, spider. So first, let us do this. Let's X this, and X this. So let's ask from the start. So first, let's import the libraries. Import Panda, SCAR processing label encoder, and linear regression, and NP, and NumPy as n. So, para ng mga libraries na to. Then, our file is located at C, inside the spider folder, inside the tickets folder, and this is our data name. Our file name. So, customer data. So, let's load that. So, we have 110 datas that has missing data. So first, let us check the duplicate rows. Yeah, the duplicate rows has 10, which is from 100 to 109. So let us drop that so that it will be removed. So na-remove na siya. Here, wala na si 100 to 100. Kay 99 na lang ang pila. So next, this code is, the purpose of this is for our sa linear regression. But this code uses to change all categorical like this into a numeric. So let's run the code. So if we check, wala na ang mga categorical because na-change na siya to numeric. Then, this code is probably used in our linear regression. So, diri na mag-start ang linear regression. So, para nato na. Then, if you check this, na-fill in na natong mga none. Wala na dyan na siya none. Then next na to, para dili magahi ato ang computer. So let us extract this file. So the extracted file has been done. So naa siya sa C, sa local disk C, in the spider folder, in the tickets folder, and the name is clean customer data XLSX. If we check that in our C with the spider name, spider folder in the tickets naa na si clean customer data. So next is for the support ticket. Mara Japon, same process, but ang kalahian lang is mag-ilis lang ka o kuan lang dyan. So iparan. Wait lang. Control T for another console, then paran. Then wala naman. So kani para ni siya para diretso na para hapsay. Ara check na to 199 na lang. Then using the linear regression, para na to na. Then pag check na to is wala na yun. Then export the file. Then let's check. So naa na ang support ticket. Ang support ticket guys. Then next is transaction. Of course, balik ra Japon. Control T for console. Then para na to ni libraries. Load na tong file. Check and drop the missing the duplicate data. Then use this para sa tungkuan. Then para na to for changing all categorical to numeric. Then from linear regression, using the linear regression. Then paran. Then paran na siya. So ipausab na to kay original missing is not defined daw. So sabutan na i-rira natin na siya. Then try na to padaga na sa ang linear regression. Ay, sorry, sabi na to. Sabi na to siya from the start. Ibalhin na to. Ano na to ni then original and missing. Isa ko lang na to na siya paran sa to label encoder. Nalang. Then ano siya and fill in na. Then let's export the file. Then check if naana. So naana si transaction data. So data cleaning is been done. So next is data integration. So let's make the data integration. So my code for data integration is in here. So kani siya gi-ChatGPT lang nako ni inyo gipangayo lang nako ang code. So next is ang sa data integration is ni Japon ka mag-load sa mga libraries kay wala man ako siya na isa og file. So i-load Japon ako ang mga libraries niya. So kani i-load na to ni para kato ni siya atong mga kuan ganihan data. Then i-merge na to. Karon. Wala na ni siya. Data cleaning ni siya. So, wala na ni siya gamit. So, dari na to. Diretso na to sa merging. So, final merge, if we check, ito na-merge na siya ito. Ano po ito dari ang sa ticket. Ang kaning mga non, if mag-wonder mo, hala, ngano naman na siya yung mga non? Ang kana siya is, nana siya non is because naay mga naay mga transaction o customer ID na data na wala sa ticket ID. So, kumbaga, pag merge ani nila tanan, dili siya makakonjud na perfectly na nadjud siya mga kwan. Kaya na may uban na siya transaction, na siya transaction ID, na siya customer ID, but wala siya ticket ID. Based lang po na siya sa inyuhang sa inyuhang data sets. So, mao na siya purpose nganong mao na siya dili lang matingala nganong naa na siya mga missing values. So, kana is i-export na to na siya. Wait lang, na double. So, export. So, if we wanna check it here, naa na si merge transaction support. Ara na siya. Now, data integration, na integrate na siya, na-merge na siya. Next is person of Spearman correlation. So, same Japon siya of code, but wala na ni, i-delete na nato ni. Okay, we are done of this. Then, we're gonna check our person and Spearman. So, again, i-load na itong libraries. Kaya delete mo na ito siya tanan. Then, i-load na ito atong data. Na siya. Nasa siya none. So, kani siya, ipara na ito na So, here is the result. So, nana siya person and Spearman. So, next is i-identify na nato ang correlation niya. So, kay dili man ta kabalo sa mga kuan ani niya, i-chat GPT na ta ni siya. Oops. Chat GPT. So, first, unahon na to og kuha ang sa Pearson. So, kani siya, i-copy ang all data, i-paste siya. Then, let's get the screenshot of the Pearson category. Spearman na. Then, okay, screen. Alt tab. Shift. Then, unable to upload PNG. Nga naman ka. It's okay, part na siya sa app, guys. So, comparative discussion on the results. So, copy na to na. Then, i-paste ito na siya dere. And then, picture na gano'n. Hindi siya makita. Then, parat na ito na siya sa chat GP. siya. Hindi mo ko siya ka-upload ba? Ay, 1020p pa. So, dili ta dirita sa itong isa ka Chrome. Ay, ka! Chrome na ko. Then, i-upload ito. The snapshots. So, in the correlation table, so, mo ni siya ano yan. Sa transaction ID o transaction date, na siya correlation coefficient na 0.956, which is very high. And then, sa product category o store location, na siya negative 0.4229, which is moderate. So, in the status and support age, na siya negative 0.391, that is very low and negative. Ay, direction niya is positive or negative lang. So, dirita sa iyang strength. So, in gender and loyalty, na siya correlation na 0.35110, which is very low. Because according to sa Diria is if below 0.3 or negative ba na siya, is na siya interpolation na low, positive, and kuan. So, balik na kay ChatGPT. So, sa gender and preferred payment is very low because of 0.3. 0.2 is negligible or di siya correlated. City and gender is negligible low. Issue type and loyalty score is 0.2, negligibly low. And resolution time and ticket is negligible because of negative. So, if you want to summarize, just ask ChatGPT. So here is his correlation summary. So in the Pearson correlation, very strong positive correlation between transaction ID and transaction date, likely due to chronological ordering. Next is a moderate negative correlation between product category and store location, suggested some product types are more common in certain location. The next is a low negative correlation between status and support agent because could indicate some agents handle more negative outcomes. Then low positive correlation involving gender, loyalty, and preferred payment because possible pointing is male behavior trends by gender. So, mo ni siya ang kuan sa correlation sa Pearson. So, next is the Spearman. So, again, mo rin po ng buhaton na ito. Wait lang. Na-hold sa day na ito ni ang kuan niya. Print screen. Then paste. The next is ating create a comparative discussion and then solve. So copy, then enter, then paunin mo ang result sa imong person ay sa imong spearman. Copy na, then ipa-run. Oh, dili siya pwede sa mag-counter dili ka. Another na santa. Agay na horot pa dyan. So nita tag Chrome na sad, mag Chrome na sad ta kay daghan man tag account. Okay. Good pa siya guys. Yeah. So sa variable pair, so in product category and store location is ang strength niya is moderate because the calculation is 0.428 -4. The next is ang payment method and store location is moderate lang. Then gender and loyalty score is moderate again. Then customer ID and purchase amount is 0.19 because of the week siya. Then preferred payment and loyalty score is weak. So money siya ang sa spearman. So according to the one of ChatGPT, using the provided spearman blah 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 purchase amount, wait lang. Pangay-tek-tek. Para makuha na to dyan ang iyong card. So in customer ID, so money variable 1, variable 2, purchase amount, then kan. So ang kanya is very weak because of the result of negative 0.1. If we check it here, weak, none or very weak relationship is either in 0.01 or 0.19. So pag check na to pag check na to is 0.19 man siya, so very weak jud siya. Next is ang variable purchase amount of store location, weak lang cause ang naadari nakabutang is 0.2 and to 0.29, maybe a positive or negative ba na siya, is weak relationship. So next is purchase amount is weak, purchase resolution 0.19, very weak, none because 0, 0, 0, 0 na siya. So ang according diri, if ang nana is below na sa 0.19 ay 0.1219, so 0 naman siya, so it is none. Next is ang payment method and store location, 0.3, moderate. Preferred payment and loyalty score, 0.274, weak. Product category, 0.4, moderate to strong. Product category and discount applied, very weak because 0.1 ang kuha niya. Issued type and loyalty score, 0.2, weak. Status and support agent, 0.3, moderate. Then support agent and resolution time, 0.1, very weak. Then gender and loyalty score, 0.3, moderate. City and loyalty score, 0.0, none. Customer feedback and loyalty, 0.1, very weak. And customer feedback of product category is 1. So if we want to summarize it, so the summary of that analysis is most of the variables shown is very weak or too weak correlation. And the strongest positive correlation is between payment method and store location because of the Spearman calculation of 0.332. So, most other relationships are very weak or negligible, indicating of minimal linear association. So, relation ay most daw sa ilang relationship is very weak or negligible because of the minimal linear association. So nakuha na nato na data clean na nato, na data integrated na nato, na kuha na nato ang experiment of correlation niya. So we are done with our activity. So maybe that's all, and so we are done for today's activity. So that's all. Thank you and good night.